Hello, hello. Leave with Love Inc. is not a nonprofit organization. I'm still talking about the courthouse, because I'm trying to be logical with it, since Reverend Jesse Jackson, you know, he passed away. And then I'm thinking of Byron. I'm like, okay, so he won his lawsuit against McDonald's for discrimination. So he sued for discrimination. He won his case. Okay. Yeah. But why did he win? He's a man. He's a man and he's rich. He's a millionaire, billionaire. Okay. So maybe that's why his case was acknowledged. Is it because I'm a woman? My case doesn't want to be acknowledged. No one wants to pay attention to the case. So you don't want to make it seem, oh, men and women, we're not the same. We're not created equal, but why is my case not being heard? Is it because I'm Hispanic? Is that there's more discrimination to it? It's sexism. I don't pity no man, because whatever you can do, I can do it too. I will never pity a man. I will never feel sorry for a fucking man, because it's like whatever you can do, I could fucking do it too. So it's like I'm just trying to be logical and rational about the situation. Like if I was a white woman and I was suing the courthouse and I'm saying it's discrimination, it's sexism, it's racism, it's all this stuff is happening within the courthouse, would I be listened to because I'm a white woman? Are you gonna listen to me? Or because I'm not rich, I'm not wealthy, so you don't want to listen to me because I'm just a regular person. I'm just a regular Bronx resident. I'm a female. So you don't want to listen to what I have to say. So it's like logically, because I can say it's magic, but I can't prove magic. So, you have to be logical. You have to be rational about it. Like, what is the issue? Why are you not acknowledging the file that's being filed against you? It's against you. You're supposed to respond within 35 days. You failed to respond. So why are you not responding? Are you guilty? Are you failure to respond because I'm a female? To respond because I'm Hispanic? Failure to respond because I'm not wealthy? Like, what is the reason for their failure not to respond? Because I'm like, okay, this man, Byron, like he won his lawsuit. So it's not like discrimination doesn't exist. Like it doesn't still happen. It still happens because this man won his lawsuit on discrimination. His discrimination could be different because he is an entertainer. He's into entertainment. So he's into the way things are viewed, the way things are published, the way things are made, and you're being racist or not advertising the commercial to everyone. They were not advertising to everyone. It was to specific people, So that he was sued because of that. Discrimination. You're discriminating. And he had to prove his claims. He has proof. He got his proof. I have my proof too. And I'm telling you, there's discrimination, there's racism, there's sexism, there's ageism, there's all forms of discrimination because of my religion. I don't have a religion. I believe in God. I pray to God. And I thank God every day to be alive, And it's like, it's so many forms of discrimination. There's so many violations of my civil rights. And I am making a note of it. I am complaining. The complaints have been made, they have been filed, and no one is acknowledging it. And I'm like, what the entire fuck? Like, what is it? Why? Why are they not acknowledging the file? And then I quit 5 years ago, going on 6 years now. I quit on 2020. And you still sabotage my documents. I still have to do more than what I'm supposed to do. You still make things hard for me. Why? I don't even work there. But it's like they're targeting me. Why? Why? I don't know why. It's an inside job. It's organized. It's real professional, everyone's a part of it. Everyone covers the papers, everyone lies, everyone plays like they don't know nothing, but they're all a part of it. That is organized crime. That is a RICO crime. When everyone's a part of it and you don't know who you can talk to, who you can trust, who's gonna help you? Nobody's gonna help you because they're all a part of it. The sirens are going off. New York City. I'm in New York City. The laws, the states. Each state has their own laws. Each state has their own jurisdictions. Each state, you can't go outside of the jurisdiction. That is how crime is contained. Crime is contained. So you need somebody to help you. You can't get nobody to help you if they're not in that state. If you're outside the state, what you doing over here? You can't tell me what to do because you're outside of your jurisdiction. It's a law. It's a stupid law. It's a stupid law. Somebody could be murdered, raped, tortured, locked in the basement somewhere, and you're outside of your jurisdiction. You can't help them because you're outside of your jurisdiction. How stupid of a law that is, But that's how you keep corruption contained. You're supposed to keep the crime within your state contained. Keep the crime within your borough, the Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens. Everything is supposed to be kept contained. That's why nobody will help me. Because when I went to other places, they would say, it's outside of my jurisdiction. Oh, I can't help you. Oh, this and oh, that. Oh, I can't get any attorney to help me. Why can't, and I've looked for attorneys. There is something being done. There's something being said for them not to help me. It's filed in federal court. Federal court is bigger than the Bronx. It's bigger. It's for the entire state of New York. So then you don't want to acknowledge the case, even though it's filed in federal court. So it's supposed to be acknowledged even faster because it's in federal, but no one is doing their job. It's they're all a part of it. Everyone is a part of it. And I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a billionaire. So they don't give a fuck. They don't give a fuck about my documents. You think they're gonna push it forward? And then I'm a female. I am a female. And then I'm 46. I may look whatever way I look, but they don't want to acknowledge me. No one wants to help me. And it's just like like if I was a white woman, would they listen to me if I was a white woman? But then you still broke, so would they listen? But maybe because you're white, and they will help you because you're white. And I'm like, it's all the same. It's like logically, I'm trying to make sense of this, trying to be logical, rational, trying to understand the situation. No one is doing anything about it. March 1st will be 2 years since filing, and no one has responded. They're supposed to respond within 35 days of filing the action. No one has responded. No answer is an answer. No answer is like, are they guilty? Are they embarrassed? Or they don't know what to say? Like, what you gonna say to me? How are you gonna counteract that? What you gonna say? How you're gonna defend yourself? Because they can't. Because they're wrong in their actions. They're wrong in every kind of way. And they can't defend themselves. That's why they didn't respond. Logically, that's the answer. Because you're suing the entire Bronx Supreme Courthouse. I am suing the entire state of New York. I am suing an entire system of the unified court system. That's all the courts. That's criminal court, that's family court, that's housing court, civil court, every court. I'm suing them. Nobody wants to respond to me because they're all a part of it. That's all it is. They're all a part of it. I'm trying to be logical, rational, understanding. And I will pity no man. No man can tell me to make me feel sorry for them. It's like, as a woman, we have to fight twice as hard, and we have to do everything harder and work harder just to be heard. I will never pity a man. And no. Paulina Garcia versus the Bronx Supreme Courthouse. comma, the Unified Court System for New York State, index number 1021-2024. Look it up. Leave it love. Bye.